Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and in today's video I will share with you my experience of using 555 technique of law of attraction. For those of you who do not know what 555 technique is, it is a very famous law of attraction technique. So in today's video I will tell you everything about this technique in detail, and I have personally tried this technique around 8 to 10 days ago. So I will also share with you what happened with me after using this technique. So please watch the whole video, and if you like my videos then you can always subscribe this channel, or if you want me to make a video on any other topic then please message me on Instagram, or you can also tell me in the comment section below. I have given my Instagram ID in the description below. Now let's start this video. First, let's talk about what 555 technique of law of attraction is. So 555 technique is a very popular law of attraction technique, and there are hundreds of videos on it on YouTube, and many people have shared their experience of using this technique, and they all say that you can manifest anything in your life just by using this technique. And around a month ago I watched a video in which this technique was explained in detail. So in this video I will also tell you how you can actually use this technique to manifest whatever you want in your life, and after that I will tell you my experience of using this technique. So the technique is 555 technique. So the number 5 represents the 5 basic elements of life, and it also means that you have to practice this technique for 5 straight days. You have to practice this technique for 5 continuous days, and number 55 represents the number of times that you have to practice it. And the technique is very simple. There are only few things that you have to do. Number one is you have to make it very clear what you want in your life, what you want to manifest in your life. And then you have to write that thing in a diary for 5 continuous days, and you have to write that thing that you want in your life for 55 times. For example, if you want $1 million, then you have to write in a diary that I am thankful for $1 million that I have, and you have to write it for 55 times, and then you have to repeat this practice for 5 continuous days. Let's discuss this technique in more detail. Like in the example that I gave you, you wanted $1 million. So you have to write in a diary that I am thankful for $1 million that I have, and you have to write this thing for 55 times, and then you have to repeat this practice for 5 continuous days. And while you are writing in the diary that I am thankful for $1 million that I you have to actually feel that you already have received $1 million. You have to feel that you already have $1 million in your bank account, and then only this technique will work for you. So this is all that you have to do to use this technique. First, make it clear what you want in your life, and then write in a diary that you have received that thing, and write that thing for 55 times, and then you have to repeat this practice for 5 continuous days. Now let me share with you my experience of using this technique. So I completed my 5 days of using this technique around 8 to 10 days ago, and this is the notebook that I used for using this technique, and I have written in it what I wanted, and I have written thank you everyone for 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So this is what I want. This is what I want to manifest in my life. I want 1 million subscribers on this channel. So it's been 8 to 10 days of using this technique, and after using this technique, after completing 5 days of using this technique, a very strange thing has happened with me, and it is that my focus is shifting more towards YouTube. And if you are a regular viewer of my channel, then you will also realize that I am posting more videos nowadays on my channel. So this is a very strange thing that has happened with me, and I can feel that my focus is shifting towards YouTube because of using this technique. But if we talk about the results, then my subscribers are not increasing. I am nowhere close to 1 million subscribers. It's been 8 to 10 days of using this technique, and still I have not seen any growth in my subscribers. So I'm not saying that this technique does not work. All I'm saying is I'm not sure how much time this technique will take to work. So this was my experience of using this technique. Now you can share your views on it in the comment section below. So this is all for this video. Now if you have any question or any doubt in your mind, then you can always ask me in the comment section below. Or if you want me to make a video on any other topic, then please message me on Instagram. I have given my Instagram ID in the description below. Or don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you like my videos, then you can also support me on Google Pay, Paytm and UPI ID. You will get the details in the description and in the end of this video. So this is all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.